Jeez. Accidentally bought some Chanel bags that I to unbox. Really do not want and don't need. And impulse bought, FOMO, a little bit of buyer's remorse. But we're gonna unbox them anyway because I have them and I can get rid of them. So, Bethany, if you want, I have some. Hit me up. Kind of like I had to get them. There was a little bit of like I went to Chanel. This is from Chanel in Paris at 31 Rue Cambon. I went because my friend wanted me to get a bag for his girlfriend, so I went to get that and I got that. But then when I was there, I couldn't help myself because shopaholic, right? This is something that I kind of wanted. I would have loved this. I would have loved the combination of these two. But I would have loved this in caviar. But I've always wanted an all black one, and I wanted a mini all black one, like black with black hardware, so black. And also with like Chanel's prices going up and their quality going down, I'm just like a little bit like, do I really want? And I already have so many Chanel bags. Anyway, but I saw this one and I couldn't say no. So, there's the chain right there. It is a So Black Chanel wallet on chain in lambskin, which is great. It's a nice, soft, plush lambskin lambskin bag that can be it can be a daily wear or an evening wear or like, a little black clutch. It's just, I have so many of these, and also it makes this noise. Just kind of gonna get annoying. It sounds like little bugs, like cicadas. And I don't know, I don't love lambskin anyway because I'm so delicate with my things and whatever. And then this one I got, again, I would have loved this in caviar or I would have loved this in all black. What I would have wanted is that style in this bag, but what you gonna do? Also, this was something that my SA, basically, they like were holding for me for 2 days, and when I came to pick up my friend's bag, they had it, and I had been requesting this for a while, so I kind of felt like I could not say no. I felt like I had to, plus everyone else in the store seemed to have wanted it. Again, and I would have loved this in the square size. I would have loved it in the rectangular. But, again, it's already come undone because it is a Chanel square flap in lambskin with champagne hardware, the mini, which, still is a high price point and like super expensive, but compared to their classic price point and what they have in their classic styles now, it seems like it's kind of a steal. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what to do with these because I know what to do with them. Don't come for me. I'm sorry. Bethany, hit me up.